Welcome to this beautiful custom home with seasonal views of the Blue Mountains and Russell Creek. South-facing windows fill the home with natural light and showcase tree-lined scenery. Inside, rustic charm meets modern comfort, featuring a vaulted ceiling, stone fireplace, knotty alder woodwork, and a warm color palette. The open floor plan flows seamlessly for entertaining or everyday living. The primary ensuite is a private retreat with granite double vanity, tiled shower, laundry access, walk-in closet, and access to your private outdoor hot tub. Enjoy the views from the covered patio, perfect for coffee or al fresco dining. Located in a serene, scenic setting that feels worlds away, yet close to everything, it's time to start living your dream.